Information Systems and Retailing. Introduction. Modern technologies are making it possible for companies to streamline their operations, make superior decisions, solve problems, and meet the changing demands of their customers. Information systems, ISs, are powerful solutions that corporations use to collect, analyze, and interpret data, thereby maximizing the experiences of all stakeholders. This paper explains how the selected company can use IS to promote operational excellence, produce superior services, and improve its competitive advantage. Transaction Processing System, TPS. There are numerous retail vendors that provide advanced technological platforms, systems, and solutions to companies planning to improve customers' experiences and achieve their potential. One of them is called the Transaction Processing System, TPS. Businesses implement this type of technology to improve the nature of transactions and promote performance. The staff of the aviation-related company will be equipped with a powerful framework supported using Hewlett-Packard's non-stop software. This integrated system makes it possible for organizations across the world to complete their transactions successfully. Since the selected company operates several departments, internal staff in every office will have access to equipped computers. All devices in different departments will be connected since the organization completes numerous transactions, including airline reservations, cargo records, schedules, and financial records. The firm will hire a systems manager, SM, to monitor the effectiveness and integrity of the IS technology. Information gathered will inform superior decisions in order to address passengers' needs. The development, implementation, and use of this advanced TPS will streamline operations and ensure that the company achieves its objectives. The introduction of the proposed TPS will transform the effectiveness and performance of the selected company. It is also necessary to consider the strengths, costs, and weaknesses related to this technology. The outstanding strengths associated with the TPS technology include stability, improved coordination, fast processing, and effectiveness. The system is also user-friendly, and members of staff can connect it with other solutions aimed at streamlining operations. Such strengths explain why this evidence-based solution is suitable for this company. Its use will also present various weaknesses or gaps that can disorient organizational performance. Some good examples include the need for a competent team to manage various aspects of the technology, potential data loss, and the availability of information to unauthorized users or hackers. This is something capable of affecting the confidence of different customers, stakeholders, or passengers. All employees should receive adequate training before the company introduces TPS in its departments. Companies planning to acquire and implement this solution should consider the issue of cost. According to Marks and Rietsema, mid-sized companies require over $100,000 to implement this kind of technology. The company will also have to cater for employee training, system maintenance, and software upgrades. This proposed technology is capable of providing a competitive advantage to the organization. According to James, TPS streamlines operations, fulfills consumers' needs, and results in new ideas for improving service delivery. The implementation of this new technology will make it possible for the identified company to attract more customers, satisfy their demands, and eventually become more competitive. The second benefit is that the solution will influence organizational strategy. The concept or idea of improved transaction procedures will become part of the business model and eventually transform service delivery. This move is capable of promoting a superior business strategy. It is, therefore, evident that the introduction of the proposed technology will empower more employees, revolutionize procedures, and improve organizational performance. The losses recorded in this company will reduce significantly, thereby maximizing operational efficiency in the business. The targeted workers will complete all activities associated with transactions much faster. The quality of services available to different passengers will also increase significantly. The final outcome is that the company will achieve its goals and remain profitable. Decision Support System, DSS. The second solution that has the potential to transform or improve efficiency at this company is called the Decision Support System, DSS. Many retail vendors provide this solution to different organizations to develop superior procedures. Brandas, Panzaru, and Filip define it as an interactive framework composed of computer-based subsystems that guide managers to use collected data to complete decision-making processes successfully. A company operating in the aviation industry should focus on emerging trends, passengers' behaviors, and future expectations. This understanding can empower leaders to address emerging problems and develop superior strategies to drive organizational performance. The selected company has several options to develop and implement this solution in an attempt to achieve its potential. The organization's computer technologists should acquire superior computers, purchase a powerful software system, and create a user-friendly interface. A database is also necessary since it matches collected data to provide evidence-based or appropriate solutions to every identified challenge. The company can combine different applications and make them part of the wider DSS system, including inventory, payroll, and financial reports. Such a model will ensure that the firm achieves its organizational goals much faster. The proposed DSS technology has several strengths that make it reliable. Firstly, it allows users and managers to combine different apps with improving decision-making processes. Secondly, there is a decision-making loop that is linked to a database. Thirdly, leaders can use the technology to exchange views and influence performance in all departments. Unfortunately, this system has specific weaknesses that might make it unavailable or ineffective to this company. For instance, there is a need to train employees, engage in constant monitoring, and protect it from hackers. The system can also be costly and unavailable to different departments. Despite such weaknesses, this company should consider the DSS in an attempt to promote all decision-making processes. Mid-sized companies will require $120,000 to implement this new technology successfully. The reason for this high cost is that all departments and units should be interconnected. Employees and supervisors should also receive adequate training if they are to use this technology effectively. The most important thing should be to ensure that evidence-based and timely decisions are available to transform operations. The use of DSS technology is capable of providing a competitive advantage to this organization. This is true since the system can guide managers to make evidence-based decisions that resonate with the unique company's demands. Such an achievement will result in superior procedures, practices, and initiatives to improve service delivery, thereby increasing this company's competitive advantage. The organization's strategy will also benefit significantly from the use of this technology. With the emergence of better decisions and ideas, all employees and managers will formulate a superior model that is capable of addressing emerging conflicts and problems. The overall outcome is that the level of organizational performance will improve within a short time. All decisions will be aimed at revolutionizing operations, processes, and practices. This means that the company will perform positively and eventually achieve its goals. Finally, the use of DSS solutions will result in better operational efficiency since leaders and managers will make decisions that can improve service delivery processes while at the same time fulfilling the demands of all customers and stakeholders.